Hey guys, Mark here again. This is just a quick response to probably about half a dozen to 10 comments I've had over the last few videos. Um, I don't think a lot of you guys or some of you guys are understanding what I'm trying to achieve, so I just quickly try and go over it. I'm not here to say that I'm the expert of all things to do with binary indicators or forex indicators, because I'm not. I'm just giving you a normal person's view who's like you guys out there trying to help people make their mind up on stuff without any biased or um, underlying reason why I'm doing a review. If you go to most people's reviews, the reasoning behind why they give the review is they're an affiliate. Okay, they're actually trying to get you to sign up to this indicator so they get paid. I'm not getting paid by anybody. I have no affiliation with any of the systems that I'm doing. I've used a few of them. I've had some experience with a few of them, and that's it. All right. I'm not a professional trader. I'm not a professional blogger or anything. I'm just a guy who's trying to do his best to help people. So few of these nasty comments that I've been getting have been a little bit unwarranted, and I do like to have a debate. I don't expect them all to be positive comments, but if you do have a negative comment or a different point of view to put forward, please put it forward in a polite manner, please, because I don't appreciate the way I've been spoke to her on a couple of occasions, and if it does continue, I'll just stop doing the videos, because my purpose of doing these videos is to try and help people, and if I'm not if I'm doing them in an incorrect manner that's upsetting people or putting people off, there's no point me keeping on doing them. So um, let's have a debate by all means. If I'm doing something that's you don't agree with, I'm fine with that. But just keep it respectful, please. That's all I ask. Have a good weekend. See ya.